Some of you know me, some of you don't know me. I'm Jared from Northeast Tuning. I am a proper black sheep in the tuning industry. I don't really do things for profit, I do things for the fact that I want to do them. And one of the things that I wanted to do was switchable traction control on a VW Up GTI. If you know about these cars, they're plagued with traction control issues and a delayed throttle opening on gear changes, and you can turn the traction control off for one ignition cycle and they're like the best car in the world ever, but they're hard coded in, you can't permanently turn it off. Some people know how to do this, and the people that do know how to do this gatekeep the information so that it's not out there. I'm not that guy. So in this video, I'm going to show you the basics of how to do it. However, if you don't want to do it, you can book your car in to be tuned at Northeast Tuning and I'll do it for you there and then. This is a customer's car, Harry's. We've tuned this car and it's an absolute rocket. But Harry was straight away, as soon as I said I wanted a guinea pig, he was like, I'll come down for the day, let's do it. So we did, came down for the day, we've stripped all the interior out of the car, we've put a little button, the button can go anywhere, but I'll show you where I've put it for now. We've put the button just there. Yeah, fair enough, it's a little bit inconvenient to get to, but you push that button and it works. We've now got traction control off, ESC off, job done. The throttle response is sharper, particularly when you initially go to pull away, it's a lot quicker, and when you change gear, you don't get that bog down between gear changes. And we've got no traction control, which means wheel spin, hooliganism, fun. We've got the ESC traction light on the dash and all the wheel spinny fun that you deserve in your Up GTI. This has been a mission for me over the last few months to make this work, and I just want people to have fun in their Ups. So let's go for a little drive. If you want to put switchable traction control in your VW Up GTI, what you need to do is, I'm letting the cat out of the bag here, a lot of people are going to be unhappy about this. Take a 12-volt feed from the cigarette lighter, run it through a little 3-amp fuse into a momentary switch. That momentary switch then goes straight to pin 2 on the ABS pump, so that when you push the switch, that pin gets 12 volts. Then get into the ABS module and go to byte 16. You have to make sure that bit 4 is disabled and bit 3 and 5 are enabled. Send this coding so that it writes it. We've gone inside now. Send this coding to the ABS module to change that. Then every time you push the 12-volt switch, you will then get TCS and ESP on the dash as enabled or disabled. One press turns the TCS off and then a full press turns the ESP off, but please note, not all vehicles show it that way. I've done a couple of them now. One of them just shows ESP off, but the traction's off as well, and the other one, you press it once and it's TSC, you hold it and ESP's off, but it both has the same result. ABS is fully functioning whichever way you do it. If you don't want to do it yourself and rip all your dash out, deep in your ABS module, run wiring, buy switches, blah, 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 drop me a message and I will do it as a chargeable extra added into a tuning session. I'm really good at tuning them, so you might as well get it all done in one hit. it.